Ever wondered how the sleek body of your car came into existence? It's a marvel of engineering, a process that combines artistry and precision. At the heart of it all are sheet metals, unassuming yet vital. These are the unsung heroes, undergoing transformation to bring you the aesthetic appeal and durability of your vehicle. From raw material to polished exterior, the journey is nothing short of fascinating. So buckle up, stay with us, as we delve into the fascinating world of sheet metals and their role in car manufacturing. What exactly are sheet metals, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. Sheet metals are essentially thin, flat pieces of metal that have been formed by an industrial process. They're typically characterized by their high tensile strength, making them a popular choice for a multitude of applications in our everyday lives. Sheet metals come in a variety of types, each with their unique properties. You've got your aluminum, an all-rounder that's lightweight yet strong, and known for its resistance to corrosion. Then there's stainless steel, a crowd favorite for its high strength and exceptional resistance to both heat and corrosion. And let's not forget copper, which offers excellent electrical conductivity and is often used for roofing, flashings, and rain gutters. These metals and more are shaped into sheets, ready to be used in everything from electronic appliances to, you guessed it, cars. Now that we know what sheet metals are you curious about how they are made? The creation of sheet metal is a blend of science and art. Indeed, the process of making sheet metal is a fascinating journey that begins with raw materials, primarily iron ore, limestone, and coal. These ingredients are mixed together in a blast furnace, a towering structure that reaches temperatures of more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat triggers a chemical reaction that produces molten iron, the primary ingredient in steel. But we're not quite at the finish line yet. The molten iron is then poured into an oxygen furnace, where it's combined with scrap steel and oxygen. This mixture is then heated to extreme temperatures once again, causing the carbon in the iron to react with the oxygen, creating carbon dioxide. This process purifies the iron, transforming it into steel. The newly formed steel is still too thick and too hot to be used as sheet metal, so it undergoes a process known as hot rolling. Here the steel is heated once more and passed through large rollers that press it into thin, flat sheets. The sheets are then cooled and further thinned through cold rolling, a process that happens at room temperature. But the journey doesn't end there. To ensure the sheet metal is of the highest quality, it's often coated with a layer of zinc. This process, known as galvanizing, protects the sheet metal from rusting, ensuring it remains durable, strong, and shiny. The final product? A versatile and strong material that's ready to be shaped and formed into a myriad of products, one of the most common being the bodies of cars. From the raw materials to the finished product, the birth of sheet metal is truly a marvel of modern manufacturing, a testament to our ability to harness the elements of the earth to create materials that help drive our world forward. Having seen how sheet metals are created, let's see how they shape our cars. Sheet metals form the very skin of our cars. Just as our skin provides protection and gives us our unique appearance, sheet metals do the same for cars. They're the first thing you see, the glossy shell that catches your eye, but their role extends far beyond aesthetics. Sheet metals are the unsung heroes of car manufacturing, the silent stalwarts that hold the car together. They are used to form the body of the cars, the fenders, the hood, the doors, the roof, everything that gives a car its shape and structure. But how does a flat, featureless sheet metal transform into the sleek, curved body of a car? The answer lies in a process called stamping. Large sheets of metal are fed into massive stamping machines that apply thousands of pounds of pressure, shaping and cutting the sheets into the required parts. It's like using a cookie cutter, but on a colossal scale. So why sheet metal? Why not some other material? The answer lies in a unique combination of properties. Sheet metals are strong yet flexible, allowing them to withstand impacts without shattering. They're resistant to corrosion, ensuring the car's body remains intact and shiny for years. And they're lightweight, which helps improve fuel efficiency. But the story of sheet metals in car manufacturing doesn't end there. Once the parts are stamped, they need to be assembled, a process that requires precision and finesse. The parts are welded together to form the car's frame, with each piece fitting perfectly into place like a jigsaw puzzle. This is where the car begins to take shape, its form emerging from a sea of metallic parts. Sheet metals also play a crucial role in car safety. They form the car's crumple zones, areas designed to absorb the energy of a collision and protect the car's occupants. They're the unsung heroes in a crash, bending and buckling so you don't have to. And let's not forget about customization. The flexibility of sheet metals allows manufacturers to create a wide range of shapes and designs, letting you choose a car that matches your style and personality. So the next time you admire a car's shiny exterior or marvel at its sleek design, remember the humble sheet metal. It's not just the skin of the car, it's the bones, the muscle, the heart. It's the material that brings a car to life, that transforms a pile of parts into a functional, beautiful machine. So, sheet metals are not just a part of the car, they are the car. Transforming a flat piece of sheet metal into a three-dimensional car body is an art. It's a process that requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of materials and manufacturing techniques. The first step in this transformational journey is to design the car body. Designers and engineers collaborate to create a model that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and safe. This design is then rendered into a 3D model using computer-aided design software. Once the design is finalized, it's time to bring it to life. The sheet metal is cut into the required shapes using a process called blanking. This involves a machine called a blanking press, which uses a die set to cut out the desired shapes. The pieces that emerge from this process are known as blanks. The next step is forming, where the blanks are shaped into the various parts of the car body. This is achieved through a process called stamping. Large machines known as stamping presses apply immense pressure to the blanks, forcing them into the shape of the die set beneath. This results in parts like doors, hoods, and trunks. But the journey doesn't end there. The formed parts then undergo several other processes like trimming, flanging, and hemming to refine their shapes and ensure they fit together perfectly. Once all the parts are ready, they are assembled to form the car body. This is done using different techniques such as welding, riveting, and bolting. The car body is then inspected for any imperfections and corrected if necessary. Finally, the car body is painted to protect it from corrosion and to give it its final look. This involves several layers of paint, each serving a different purpose. The primer layer provides a surface for the remaining paint to adhere to, the base coat provides the color, and the clear coat provides a glossy finish and additional protection. And that, folks, is how a piece of sheet metal evolves into your favorite ride. It's a process that demonstrates the intricate balance between design, engineering, and manufacturing, all working together to create something that is both beautiful and functional. What a journey it's been, from a raw material to a sleek car body. We delved into the world of sheet metals, exploring their creation and unique uses in car manufacturing. Let's recap the ride we've taken together. Sheet metals, the unsung heroes of many industries, begin their life as raw materials. This journey starts in the heart of a mine. Iron ore is extracted. From there, it's sent to a blast furnace where it's smelted into molten iron. This molten iron is then mixed with scrap metal and transformed into steel. But our sheet metal isn't ready just yet. It's rolled into large coils and sent off to be cold rolled, where it's flattened into the thin, flexible sheets we know and love. But the magic doesn't stop there. These versatile sheets find their way into many applications, but none quite as captivating as car manufacturing. The automotive industry is a testament to the marvels of sheet metal transformation. The humble sheet metal is manipulated and crafted into stunning car bodies, each a work of art in its own right. We've seen how sheet metals are cut, bent, and shaped into intricate parts of a car's body. Techniques like stamping, deep drawing, and hydroforming are used to mold the sheet metal into the desired shape. Through these methods, car manufacturers can create complex structures and designs, all from a single sheet of metal. And there we have it, the extraordinary journey of sheet metals, from the depths of the earth to the shiny, sleek bodies of our cars. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the incredible of sheet metals. Next time you admire a car, remember it's not just a car, it's a marvel of sheet metal transformation. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.